Yes, now welcome once again to another review of Euroball Yarns from the Republikans. We are from the house of, the Football Republic. We don't carry the matter up and make it for no loss. So Euroball Yarns, name this one. Welcome once again. And I get my guys inside the studio. Sexy Joe inside the studio. Buchi Labalaba inside the studio too with me. And Shapali Moku start Sexy Joe over the weekend. Manchester City, Manchester United, Liverpool, Chelsea, all of them. Na penalties they use win their matches.
Na very, very tough one for them. You know, say it on the hot top as far as the top of the table they're concerned. And of course, these three teams now so they follow themselves for back. So definitely you go find out, say some referees got to take some very tough decisions during the weekend. And that's why they see Liverpool, they struggle to get out 1-0 over Aston Villa, Man City, then Hustle. So then a penalty too, then use get them against Wolverhampton Wanderers. And of course for Chelsea, we see at the end of the match, quarter won't come, fight won't come. Everybody they fight, including Rudiger. That one show you say he done the really hot up well as far as top of the table they concerned.
Sexy Joe talk about hot up, Buchi, and the hot up now between these three sides: Chelsea, Manchester City, and Liverpool.
Arsenal.
Buchi, stop.
Stop. Top 5.
Chelsea, Arsenal. Chelsea, Man City, Liverpool. Penalties now they use to decide their matches. Buchi done the hot up, and the pressure don't they come on top the coaches them especially.
Fantastic. It don't show you say while I use that day because teams honestly Premier League going against Sweet say anything can happen. We see that Aston Villa match, you know to play well, but then give Liverpool a run for their money. Penalty score. Same thing with Man City and also Chelsea will let go. The only team this is penalty scored Arsenal. The only team who scored 3 goals now Arsenal. What?
Without penalties.
I see the future.
Without penalties.
Without penalties. Arsenal scored 3 beautiful goals. But anyhow it be, the Premier League every week, every day, they give us reasons why maybe automatically if it be one of the best leagues in the world because competition day, nobody said we're prepared for the Premier League. I like the league.
Fantastic one. The league, they make sense. They hot up. But you talk about the Arsenal squad win 3-0 without penalties. And Sexy Joe, coming to you, Aubameyang, they no put time for that squad.
If you ask me about Aubameyang now,
calm down.
I'll be Arsenal representative.
Nah, Buchi, you're a liar.
For Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, I think things they move well for him again for inside Arsenal. 6 games now, score any goal. Apart from that, people don't they complain to make them strip him of that captaincy because now serial offender.
That's my question.
Serial offender now he be. They say no be today he don't start. No be today get center party.
What be your offense?
They say your offense now say he travel go abroad, return back to training late.
Okay.
He return to training and not be the first time. Yes, not be the first time in March if you remember correctly, then drop him against Tottenham Hotspur because of waiting punctuality issue. You don't they do and tete. And which kind of example they set for these younger ones? And if they not take that measures now to curb all these excesses, before you know, now one small player, maybe like Sakana go come say after all, in Duamuna no punish and I mean I won't come punish. You know that kind of thing. So I think all these things he just got to rethink them. And of course, if you want come out, make it come out. But for now, because of the way we say things take them, maybe till January or till the summer before they go tell them goodbye. For now, make them just allow them.
My dear colleague, make a continue for where my colleague
No, continue. I just want to ask you, as Mikel Arteta now, they in charge. They in charge when Ozil they do this kind of thing.
Yep.
Now, what thing you go advise making do now? If you say this problem don't they hot, but me I'm going to perform for field
at all.
Now, you don't come they do some kind misbehavior off the field. So. Mikel Arteta, what you got advice to do right now?
Honestly, thank you say you asked me this thing because but Mikel Arteta, at some kind of time I did against him because say some kind of like saying he know too much, he know too much. But for this matter right there, like I think he make the right decision. Like Sexy talk, Arsenal gets I think the youngest squad for the Premier League. So many young boys, and if the Oga them they mess up, they don't want to look like say, if you don't treat them. Why you go treat us? You need to set good example. They say when you punish person when they close to you, you go punish and well than when you put outsider. Because anyway, person they may behave well than outsider. Now what you have with Arsenal right here, like I see, Aubameyang are the captain of Arsenal. When you be captain, extra responsibility they for your shoulder. Now it's because when they treat other people mess up, not them treating you mess up.
So you go advise Mikel Arteta now making change.
From day one, Aubameyang they fit to be Arsenal captain. From day one,
they fit.
On a good day, no.
For a player, we don't single-handedly win now.
It could be said that the responsibility they go cost them.
Not be everybody go be captain. from day one, Aubameyang a good player.
So who go be the
good
captain?
striker, number one for Arsenal, Granit Xhaka, nobody else.
Not be the same Xhaka will be
There's
saying.
cheaper more because he put the fast in
Exactly.
order. Arsenal, let me give you an answer. What did Xhaka do with football? Nobody don't do him. Like he make Arsenal fans take back their words. Yes, players are human beings at the end of the day. You can criticize players when you involve family.
Exactly.
You cross that line. Arsenal fans involve family. And the man be like, you don't involve my son and my wife. He defend himself. Tell me when he leaves, go even talk and dare. Say, I'm not going to apologize. Because say, I not do anything wrong. So he stand for himself. Fellow footballers also support him. Because the way one person can't talk. So what did he do? Not bad. So Arsenal's not is fantastic. But we tell him when the captaincy hand bad. If you look well, that's the captain of Arsenal. Leave that hand bad.
I'm the leader.
I'm the leader of Arsenal. Aubameyang just flex, vibe, and
Inshallah.
No, we leave Inshallah.
Reminds me of someone.
But fair enough points from Buchi.
Xhaka.
Say once you don't involve family, you don't cross the
No,
line.
don't try that.
As
Not
far
true.
as playing football is concerned, you feel you have the player, you feel insult him, but once you don't they talk about in family or they talk about in race, that one a day don't cross the line. For me too, I agree. Xhaka, I made them give him the captain.
Get him back, my boy. We'll go school
Buchi,
together.
I know say your body see the hurt, and I say your body the
Thank
hurt.
you.
Carlo Ancelotti with Real Madrid still
Wow.
they perform for Real Madrid. They extend the lead on top of the table right now for inside La Liga. 2-0 against Atletico Madrid. Big match. I think say Diego Simeone go carrying boys come to the party, but like Real Madrid, then get the formula to always beat Atletico.
Team, you know what is for this match? At the club yesterday, they dance.
Can you imagine?
They can't imagine watching clubbing and watching Galacticos. Club Gala.
Oh, Lama!
And they crazy. So this match, they very, very interesting. See, I think some kind of time they put respect on that Carlo Ancelotti. I talk about that to one of my friends yesterday. Say, Don Carlo, a fantastic coach. And he come tell me, say, he failed for Bayern Munich. I say, guy, you don't understand the simple logic of football. Coaching, na very risky job. Because they sack you for one club, me say, you did bad.
Yeah.
Not true.
Bad things happen. And the good thing about them is say, when you do bad, you can't come later, can't do good, you don't erase that one. And also know say they work with different kind of people. And different people, they give them different results. Don Carlo don't achieve greatness in how many clubs? And now Real Madrid, when they used to say they struggle like that to turn like that, they still get their own level a little bit. But now when they carry them go a totally different level. And let's be honest, look at Real Madrid score. They don't even get like class players like that. But in they put a team united. Check their up front. Junior, they play like person will be say they smoke inspiration. Don't be saying like fantastic ball. So honestly, give respect to Don Carlo, respect to Real Madrid. You know win the league. I don't know what I could do.
You know, I disappoint well, say Atletico Madrid just mess up from where then everybody they expect them this season, say then go ginger, winning the league last season, then few say then go ginger this season. But unfortunately, see where then they on top table. That one show you say they no even grab the opportunity at all. You understand? And then come from beating Porto for midweek for inside the UEFA's Champions League. Come for Yakata 2-0. But then you got to commend this man when they call Ancelotti.
Quick on Xavi Hernandez.
You are not romantic.
Xavi Hernandez.
I'm very single people.
Over the weekend, they get a draw. You don't come up for Champions
fact,
League. First time in God knows how many years with Barcelona they play
21 years.
Europa League. They drop into the Europa League. But just
It's so
a
sad.
quick one on Xavi Hernandez. Quick one.
I talk him the first time before he take over. I tell you, say the bros go just come spoiling CV. I talk him for here. And of course, exactly waiting they happen now. He shouldn't even have made that attempt to come manage Barcelona because waiting they deeper than waiting they see. The Barcelona way we know, not the Barcelona way we know now. So what could they? And this guy, I don't know how long they go give him that chance to actually put this team together. Very young side where we say then get side where we say now for the future. But then now I just hope that I don't go begin judging now because right now Barcelona feel spoiling CV for him.
10 seconds.
30 seconds.
10.
And I'm not a 10-second man.
Make it 5
15 seconds.
Okay. See, I talk them every day. No, they expect miracle from Xavi. That Barca squad, even if you bring what do they call that coach? One of the greatest coaches. Even that coach of Barcelona now, Ian Croft. If you know that you bring and come back, but nothing will happen. But I don't see the level Barcelona squad. One of the worst squad I've ever seen in my life.
Tell you.
You know if you do anything I want. Look at now this afternoon they play most of the time. So what do they expect? Lower your expectation. I got Barcelona fan. Barca right now updated Arsenal back then. Then they struggle. And then go struggle like 2 to 3 years.
Then go
so
struggle
Barcelona
over.
call they create miracle.
Lots
Xavi
of
get
work.
chopped. See, if Xavi calm down, not the thing like saying don't arrive. Take your level, build your
Nobody
process.
they give 10 commandments.
No, not say don't arrive. No. It's to get a lot to do. But you know what he didn't get?
But at least that's a commandment.
And
starting
when
point.
I talk now, like interview the work.
Your 15 seconds is up, Buchi. Thank you. So we come to Naija star player once again, and goal king for the week. Emmanuel Dennis score on Friday for Friday Night Football for Watford, even though they didn't lose to Brentford. Sweet one for him. Joe Aribo said follow score for inside the match for Rangers, and you want to talk say Moses Daddy Simon said follow score
daddy.
after a long while we no agree score. And talk about Sadiq Umar too. We follow score. And so now the players we perform, but make I come to Sexy Joe talking about Emmanuel Dennis, Moses Simon, Joe Aribo, and Sadiq Umar. Who be your star Nigerian player for the week?
I go tell you, say, in as much as I want tilt towards Emmanuel Dennis, I go say Daddy Simon. And now because of say after so much assist we don't give for Nate, he don't finally nip one in the board, and that's what make me happy for her because now real workaholic. You need to see the way this guy they walk the ginger for FC Nate, and of course that's one now don't crown in effort. But for Emmanuel Dennis, fantastic one. He just can't keep scoring, and of course he continues to they make impact after what he don't go through. In fact, I'm happy for him well. But Daddy Simon,
Ambuchi,
I go take Joe Aribo for reason because Joe Aribo this season switch position with new coach of Rangers. I want to tell that in they play central midfield, but under Van Bronckhorst right now in they play behind the striker. Right there, I believe they get that technical ability to play behind the striker. Because for me to look at time, in the lazy around.
You don't go see him for match.
Ball they beat him too much. And he get good control, he get the physical, and also he get the pace. So playing behind the striker, can score good goal, he sweet me. Hopefully when he comes the Super Eagles, I'm going to use that switching position small. He played that
number 10.
He did that midfield row. It's too dead.
Too deep.
You don't get the energy to maintain that.
It's too deep. Thank you very much, guys. Moku enter one-on-one and talk about still talking about Super Eagles. Latest news we'll hear and I say they don't carry consortium Oyibo of coaches.
Serious consortium.
So would they come now? We ask you the question. All these coaches they carry, so but you make us start with you. Should they deliver?
Number one, please, Sexy, don't interrupt me. Please. On my mind, I want to talk. I could like know the metric couldn't take a point Austin Eguavon. In the sense, we say, can Ron not do bad work? Moko not starting. Can Ron not do bad work? In carry us reach somewhere, but in no carry us reach the promised land. That is different thing. So if we reach the competition, in the mess up. So we need person who will carry us from half, go full. On a good day, Austin Eguavon won't carry come half. Not insult to Austin Eguavon. It affects me because I believe we get quality coaches who go fit do this job. But Austin Eguavon. I believe also because NFF too, they find person to go fit control puppet, but when they go fit old salary. Two things you know go complain because in the fit say, let me just take this job.
Said that they want salary, they complain.
No, after 4 years now, when don't do internship later. But you know the one that annoy me too. Look at the Salisu Yusuf. That is supposed to be coach in the first place. But like the one who even vex me past. That's say they can appoint ambassadorial. Technical JJ Okocha, Kanu Wanko, and what is the essence? What will be their work? Why they pack? What did they do? You call them vex me. Why they vex me again? They are mates. Someone Edo. They are mates.
Don't be a fit chairman.
Don't be a fit chairman. Not because they start to compare in any way. I'm not comparing in any way. But all they talk say at least show ambition a little bit. Every time our ex-national appointments. We know why you're elected. They keep on. They try you.
Dan Debola won't catch you.
But no, at least.
Don't go say at least now one of the ex-footballer where they don't appoint.
At least now all of them be appointments. But
special advisor to the president.
What's your
on sports?
Appointments. What you want to see? Be say at least make them try to at least show say at least they care about Nigerian football. I understand say Nigeria tell them different compared to Cameroon. I totally understand. But you get that you go to try reach. You go not say at least you try.
You push.
And you get that you go to get level reach or more. If JJ right now come outside say okay I want to do something on the first time you no go win but later you go feel win. See good example. Drop a come out Ivory Coast. He lost. But at least I need to think come out again.
Thank you.
Keep on coming. Keep on Thank you. No. Keep on trying.
Thank you.
Keep on trying.
In as much as I be one of those where they talk say give our local coaches chance. The truth is I don't tire for recycling. Because now still the same. Now today Eguavon don't enter there. This not be the first time.
Company man.
You understand?
But
they keep recycling all these people, all these years.
Get them right. Eguavon na the technical director for the Nigerian football joint body.
whether not he never coached before.
Yes, he don't coach before.
Now what's not they talk
and
now?
people they talk say more or less make I day use scope day on the side of the NFF right now. They go say at least he get experience. You don't coach the team go Nations Cup before, then finish for semi-final. So experience
make I tell
day.
you, what thing they want to do with Guavon, now they do with Shuaibu Amadu. Now they still the same 10 and 10 pence
Of blessed memory.
But the one where even come pay me pass, Paul Aibogun. You see what he do with our under 20? Now still carry and come back. To come and do what? This guy got issue with the FIFA over, Aka change Lego.
Salisu Yusuf.
Una still carry and come back. I don't understand where our football they go. And I'm so disappointed at this point in time. Say, we still there where we dey, no movement, no forward, no backward. It's like we they take one step forward, 100 steps backward. I'm sorry, say all these guys they get the experience, but who says people will be saying former footballers they make good ambassadors or even good coaches? Who talk them for where they talk them?
Thank you very much.
I hope say this one, no be waiting at the how did they take talk them? No be waiting done day before. I hope say changes go day, but
changes.
then. From waiting I don't see. You see this recycling, you go put us where we no expect.
What do you expect?
Thank you very much,
I
Buchi.
tell
Thank
you.
you very much, Sexy Joe.
I agree. And they encourage local coaches.
Yeah.
What thing these guys don't do to improve themselves? What they want to improve our football?
We hope say our football will
we
improve.
get good local coaches here who put
Yeah.
our
I did tell you. Why
True.
Paul Aibogun?
Fini the judge
Why
did,
Salisu?
What for you?
Why?
Amunike
What's
did,
happen?
Yes, my people, now here we go draw the curtain for the latest edition of Euroball Yarns. Remember, say yes, we go always
When
stay
you
here
mad
to
No,
give.
no,
I go give na card.
No, I they tell her when she calm down now.
My body they hot.
This thing you're aggressive.
My body
But
they
they tell her when
hot.
she calm down.
Her voice they go
I'm
up.
caring for her.
As they touch her voice
My
they
body
go
they
up.
hot.
Now here we will end the matter, my people. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Football Republic NG, the Republic now with a K. Remember to do that one and make sure say yes. You always keep your notifications day on so that you go feed get all our latest videos on top of our channel. Till I enter Naija again next time. I still remain your one and only, the first and the best nobody contest, the Pidgin commentator of the Federal Republic, PCFR, Timmy, signing out. Now bye bye.
Football Republic.